Hello everyone, my name is Sudhir Kumar. I am your math faculty. Today we will start the application of derivative. The subtopic of application of derivative is the equation of tangent and normals. Equation of tangents and normals. For discuss about of this topic, we will take a curve on the xy plane. Let y equal to fx be any curve. Draw the curve in xy plane. In the curve, take P be any point x1, y1 on the curve. Draw a line AB which slices the point P. This line is known as tangent of the curve. A perpendicular PN on the tangent AB. So PN is known as normal of the curve. The slope of tangent, so that derivative of the curve with respect to x, we will take after derivative dy by dx, we get f dash x. At the point P, the slope of the curve is dy by dx x1 y1 is known as slope of the tangent. The equation of tangent at the point x1 y1, we have a formula y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx at the point x1 y1 and x minus x1. The equation of normals at the point P x1 y1, y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 upon dy by dx at the point x1 y1 and x minus x1. We want to discuss the questions. Find the equation of tangent and normal on the curve y equal to x square plus 4 at the point x equal to 2. So we have a curve y equal to x square plus 4. Let P x1 comma y1 be any point on the curve. Show that y1 is equal to x1 square plus 4. Let given points x1 equal to 2, then y1 equal to 2 whole of square plus 4, then y1 equal to 4 plus 4, then y1 equal to 8. So we have points P x1 y1 is equal to 2, 8. We want to find the slope of tangent. Therefore, derivative with respect to x of the given curve, we get dy by dx is equal to 2x. The slope of tangent at the point 2,8, we get dy by dx at the point 2,8 is 2 into 2, therefore we get 4, which is the slope of the tangent. We know that the formula of tangent at the point x1 y1 is y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx at the point x1 y1 x minus x1. Put the value of x1 y1 and dy by dx of this equation, we get find out that y minus y1 is 8 and dy by dx at the point is 4 and x minus x1 is 2. After solving we get the equation of tangent. Multiply by 4 in this bracket, we get 4x minus 8. Minus 8 and minus 8 is cancelled, then we get the equation of tangent is y equal to 4x. After then we find out the equation of normal. We have the equation of normal. The equation of normal at the point P x1 y1 is equal to 2,8 is y minus y1 is equal to 1 minus का 1 upon dy by dx at the point x1 y1 and x minus x1. Put the value of x1 y1 and dy by dx, we get y minus 8 is equal to minus का 1 upon 4 and x minus 2. After solving, multiply 4 in left side, we get 4y minus 32 is equal to minus का x and plus 2. Minus x transfer in left side, we get x plus 4y is equal to 32. Transfer in right side, we get 2 plus 32, therefore we get 34. It is a equation of normals of the curve. Question: we have given that find the equation of normal to the curve y equal to mod x square minus mod of x at the point x equal to minus 2. So we have given the points. We have given the curve y equal to x square minus mod of x. We have the given curve y equal to mod of x square minus x, and we have points at x equal to minus 2. We want to find that the equation of normal at the point minus 2. Therefore, we know that x when x is less than 0, that implies mod of x read minus of x. So we can put here the value of mod of x, we get x square plus x. But we know that for every value of x, the y is always positive. X square plus x is always positive. Therefore, we have a curve x square plus x. Let p x1 comma y1 be any point on the curve. So this point lies of the curve. So we get y equal to y1 equal to this point lies on the curve. So y1 equal to x1 square plus x1. Let we have given the point x1 equal to -2. Put the value of x1 in this equation. So y1 equal to -2 whole of square plus -2. So y1 equal to 4 minus 2. Then y1 equal to 2. Therefore, we get a point P. Point P x1 y1 is equal to -2, 2. ठीक. We want to find the normal at this point. Therefore, firstly we can derivate of the function. The derivative of the curve with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 1. At this point, -2 and 2, we get 2 minus 2 plus 1. 2 to the 4 minus 4 plus 1, we get -3. We note that the equation of normal, the equation of normal at the point -2, 2 is y minus y1 is equal to -1 upon dy by dx. At this point, x1 y1 and dy by dx. In this equation, we find out the equation of normal. So y minus y1 is 2 and 1 upon dy by dx at the point is -3 and x minus x1 minus is -2. Therefore, x plus 2. So we get y minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 3 x plus 2. After solving, we get 3y minus 6 is equal to x plus 2. 3y is equal to x plus transfer right side is -6, we get 6 to 8 is an equation of normal.